The choke knob attaches to the choke plate lever on the carburetor. When the choke knob is pulled out, the choke plate on the front of the carburetor throat is rotated to the choked position. The choke draws additional fuel into the carburetor during a cold start. After years of use, the arm that attaches the knob to the choke lever may become fatigued and break off. The knob might be broken accidentally by dropping the saw, kicking the choke knob while starting, or if something else falls on the saw. Replacing the choke knob is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll go ahead and remove the top cover to get access to the ignition switch and the choke knob. Now I can remove the ignition switch lever. It's held in place with a single screw. With the ignition switch lever out of the way, now I can remove the choke knob. I'll just pivot it around and pull the small plastic arm away from the carburetor. Now I can install the new choke knob. I'll insert the small plastic arm through the hole in the carburetor. And now I can replace the ignition switch lever. I'll place the hole in the lever over the plastic post on the saw. I also have the second ignition contact. I'll need to pull this out of the way as I install the switch. And now I can secure it with the screw. And now I can replace the saw's top cover.